show you how to use the File Manager. It works very much the same as attaching a file to an email. You're going to click Choose Your File, double click the file you want to upload, give your file a title, save. Your file is then going to appear on the page that you are editing, just like this, and you can click into this to pop up as a PDF. If you are uploading a file, you can upload any type of document. However, we would recommend using a PDF as it is much more secure and it will work across all devices. If you are uploading multiple files, you do need to do it one at a time using the File Manager. You can organise your files by clicking Additional Options and just using this drop down to select how you'd like to organise your files.